I made this USB bypass any computer's login screen, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it as well. What's up everybody, it's the Real Lizard Squad, and in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to bypass any login screen on any computer with nothing but a little USB. Now before we get into this video, just a little bit of a disclaimer. Make sure this is your computer you're doing this to, okay? Because it can and it will bypass any login screen. So whenever you go to log into your computer, you open up the laptop and then the user account's right there with the password field. This USB will remove that completely from any account on any computer. So like I said, little disclaimer, make sure you're using this on your own computer. Okay, I'm not gonna be held responsible if you start taking these to school and using them on school computers, okay? That is not what this video is for. But now that that disclaimer is out of the way, let's get right into the meat and potatoes of this video, right? So sit back, relax, grab your computer, make sure it's your computer, grab your USB, and let's get to the Lizard Squad style hacking, shall we? So in order to create this overpowered USB skeleton key that unlocks anything, you're gonna need a couple of things first, alright? Number one, you're gonna need a USB, go figure, alright? Number two, you're gonna need a computer, and number three, you're gonna need to follow me on Instagram, alright? Help me get up to 10K, boys. Listen, I know we can do it, we're almost there. I don't care if you hate me, you can unfollow right afterwards, just help your boy get up to 10K. So obviously you don't have to do that, but number three, we're going to need a program, and it's called Conboot. So what this program Conboot does is it allows you to create a bootable USB with Conboot pre-installed on the USB. Now you can get the software from conboot.com. It's going to be in a link in the description below. And all you do once you get the software is start creating the bootable USB, which I'm going to teach you how to do. But I'm going to also explain a little bit about how it theoretically works because, Conboot is closed source, it's not on GitHub or anything like that. And some people are sketchy about programs that aren't on GitHub or they can't read the code, and it's, rightfully so. You should be sketched out a little bit by programs that you don't know exactly what they do. However, theoretically, and I say theoretically because nobody really knows exactly what this program does, but theoretically, the way Conboot works is basically what it does is before the computer boots, before the operating system gets flashed to the RAM, before all that stuff, Conboot hooks itself into the RAM and patches itself with a custom kernel before the computer actually starts booting up. This is also known as a master boot record infection, so yes, it's actually sort of a virus. But hold on a minute, before you start going insane, it's not like a virus that's gonna infect your computer with, it doesn't have a payload, right? Or the payload is actually going to be removing the login page from the computer. Another name for a master boot record infection virus is also called a rootkit. So basically what Conboot does is it infects the startup code of Windows or Mac or whatever operating system you're using, and it uses methods similar to that of a rootkit or a UEFI boot record infection, only it's benign and it doesn't cause any harm to the computer at all or leave any traces that you even used it whatsoever. And for those of you asking, Veraxity, is there an open source version of this program out there? I don't know. I don't think so, If there was an open source version of this, it would probably get patched instantly, which is why Conboot is closed source. So among some of the things you could do with Conboot is whenever you plug it into your computer and you boot from the USB that has Conboot installed, you can make it either accept any user password, so you could basically just hit the enter button on the login page and it'll log you into whatever account the computer has, or you can create yourself a new administrator account directly from Conboot. According to the documentation of Conboot, it says, our software works by virtually modifying the EFI BIOS and then modifying parts of the OS X kernel. These changes are made in computer virtual memory and then they disappear after computer reboot. So there is some sort of infection going on in the RAM before boot up that allows you to just log into whatever account is on the computer. It doesn't even matter if you know the password or not. You can just hit enter on it, like I said, and boom, you're inside of Windows. But now that I sort of explained what I think theoretically might be going on with Conboot, let me show you how to set up one of these FBI USB skeleton keys, alright? Let me show you how to install Conboot onto your USB. First, make sure you have your USB ready and turn on your computer and plug it in. Now you're gonna need to download Conboot from conboot.com. You know, there are nefarious versions of Conboot, and by nefarious, I mean probably torrented versions that you could get, but little piece of advice, guys, if there's any sort of hack tool out there that's, free, or it shouldn't be free, but you find a free version of any hack tool, usually there's some sort of malware incorporated into it. Usually hackers will incorporate their own malware into cracked versions of, popular hacking tools. This is because most hacking tools show up as viruses, and if a hacker incorporates his own virus, he'll just have an excuse to be like, yeah, turn off your antivirus, it's a hack tool, of course it's gonna get detected, blah blah blah. So little piece of advice, don't go downloading any torrented versions of this stuff. It's just not recommended, man. You probably get like wormed or something. But once you have Conboot and the USB is all plugged in and ready, just launch the Conboot installer, and if you ever used Rufus or any sort of ISO to USB program, you'll be kind of familiar with this already. All you gotta do is just click on Install to USB UEFI, and once it's done, it'll give you a little notification saying either A, Conboot was installed successfully, or B, you messed something up and your computer's gonna explode. But once this is all done, all you gotta do is take the USB and plug it into the computer that you want to bypass the lock screen for. Now power off the computer and then turn it back on and make sure you're booting it into the BIOS. You're gonna have to change the boot order, right? You want the USB stick with Conboot installed to boot first before Windows. Otherwise, it's just gonna boot into Windows and it's not gonna work. But once you change your boot order, just restart the computer again, and if you did everything right, you should be booted into Conboot, where you can choose which version of Conboot you want to use. This is actually a really old version from one of the other hard drives that I have laying around. I wanted to make this video for a really long time, but I just never got around to it. This is a pretty old software. I've been playing with it for like the last 7 years, honestly. But as you can see, if you did everything right, Conboot should be loading up on your computer just like mine. And once it's done doing its thing, it'll start Windows and it should just look like a normal Windows startup. Except you'll realize whenever the sign-in page appears, all you need to do is hit enter and then it lets you into the computer. So I mean, yeah, it really is that easy. Like I said, don't go getting any nefarious versions of this software if you want to get it. Just go to conboot.com. Try it out for yourself. I honestly think that everybody should have one of these USBs wherever they go. I mean, it really makes you feel like an FBI agent if you just, wield one of these USBs anywhere you go, because you just have that thought in the back of your mind that, you can just get into any computer that you want. Like, obviously, I'm not saying go and do that, but it is pretty nice to have in your arsenal if you do like hacking and if you do like technology. So yeah, guys, before this video ends, I do have a small announcement to make. I see a lot of comments that are like, Veraxity, what's with all these stupid little kid videos, Veraxity? Do some real hacking videos, Veraxity. And if you've been following me for a really long time on YouTube, by long time I mean like 3 years or so, you'll know that I used to upload long videos on the daily, and they weren't like, they weren't just stupid little command prompt tricks or anything like that. They were actually real hacking videos. However,
I just love the smell of fear. Pick it up. Pick it up.
YouTube does not like us hackers very much. Sometimes it thinks we're up to no good. Sometimes it thinks we're on our nefarious bullshit. Sometimes it thinks we're up to we're just trying to infect people or something. For whatever reason, I don't know, it just hates hacking videos half the time that you try to upload them as a hacking YouTuber. And because of that, I haven't really been posting any real hacking videos, much to a lot of your guys' dislike. But don't worry, I do have something in the works for you guys that want to learn more about some real nitty-gritty hacking, alright? If you head on over to your browser and then you type veraxity.org, that's veraxity.org, nothing else, okay? You can go to my website where I will be releasing a course on how to do all of the pretty cool stuff with computer hacking, alright? The course isn't ready yet, which is why I haven't been talking about it too much, or at all, really. But whenever this course is ready, you guys are going to be learning about all the fun stuff, alright? All the interesting stuff. It's going to have everything from basic hardware level computer science, you're going to learn how to build a computer, you're going to learn what all the parts do, you're going to learn learn a little bit about web development. You're gonna learn how to deploy your own website on your own web server that you own. You know, no Wix shit, no drag and drop WordPress website builders, okay? You wanna learn the real stuff? This is where you go. You go to Veraxity.org, alright? It's gonna have all kinds of stuff. You're gonna learn how to use rats. You're gonna learn how to use botnets. You're gonna learn how to use everything ethically and in a controlled environment against yourself and on yourself, of course. You know, I'm not gonna be teaching you how to commit cybercrime, alright? But it is gonna have a lot of stuff that, you know, it's obviously stuff that's out there already. You can learn on your own if you want to, but it's gonna take so many hours of digging around and just trial and error, probably getting infected and your computer exploding. I'd rather you just go to Veraxity.org and learn how to do it all the right way, alright? But either way, guys, make sure you stay tuned for that. Keep checking the website for whenever it drops. I will have a formal announcement for whenever the course is live, so that way you guys can sign up and learn how to hack computers the right way. And with that out of the way, guys, this brings me to the end of the video. So thanks for watching. You know, you guys mean the world to me, each and every single one of you. I love your support. Make sure you drop a fat like on this video and subscribe if you like my kind of content. You know, on some fulcrum shit, every single one of you people have a purpose to fulfill on the planet, and it's up to you guys to find out what exactly that purpose is. There is no influencer, no celebrity, none of these people are better than you, alright? You could be the celebrity if you really want to be it, if you put your mind to it. Hey, shout out Fulcrum, even though his channel's a lot bigger than me. You know, Damien Luck, Yodi family, if you're part of the Yodi family, you guys are receiving these motivational messages on the daily. But yeah, with that all out of the way, guys, hope you like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.